idiot.
That's on the other side of this.
Yeah, walking straight, that's how I like it. Yeah, I'm pretty fast.
Frick.
Dude, when you said you were... What are you doing?
Look, I was quiet, didn't say, what did you do? No, I was better than that.
There's a reason this goes down as Arsehole Avenue roundabout.
Yep.
Don't worry, love. On phone.
Oh my god.
On phone.
Just on the phone, having a wander.
You're right, Doris.
Don't worry about the fact we're in the middle of the road.
Oh, I'm having a lovely day.
Wow. Oh my fucking god.
My God. You idiot. What the f*** is that for, you twat? Just because I said there's only this bit for, I swear to God, if you're going to, yes you are.
Meow.
It's just mental, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Mad, isn't it?
Yeah. Proper, like,
Just pull out on you.
they're at M.
If you had any other, if you had any other woman, probably would have beat Donald Trump. Hillary, like, dude,
Whoa!
ain't no way I'm ever voting for Hillary Clinton. We despise that.
Will come in and do one of those 20-odd renditions live. If you go online, absoluteradio.com. If you go online, absoluteradio.com/breakfast, you can see the Timelizer, which is a full-page screen of...
Oh, come right across me, why don't you? What's this pellet doing? Send him in as well. Hang the one in front of him.
Ta-da.
Straight for a red light. There we go.
Want police though. When something happens to them, they want police.
Yeah, a viral video from I think 2018 was the Seattle cops Antifa attacked a guy. He was backing away.
With the county and the King of York to have fully connected all these nations under one reign in England, but she sadly passed away.
That's what the issue is. Someone's decided to crash into someone else. Caravan. Place your bets. What's it going to be? Oh, has that got something to do with it?
There might not be a caravan. There might be. Oh no, it is a caravan. Is that a horse box? Horse box?
Like a catering van or something.
Catering van.
And then.
Here we go.
Oh no.
Everyone's rubbernecking. He's got his phone out. He's having a quick.
Is that what's causing this whole queue? People slowing down for that?
Yeah. Must be. Look, you're about to speed up, mate.
That's. Well, the road's closed.
Right,
so.
you can either feel sorry or laugh at these people. One of the two.
I don't rubberneck. Why have I got to just deal with that?
Look.
I know.
Human behaviour, mate. People see crash car, they slow down to have a look.
That's one numpty already. Turning right from the middle lane.
She was a member of Gary's congregation. He'd known her for 4 years at this point, and when he started courting her, he treated her well, made her trust him, made her believe that he cared about her, and reassured her that he was her friend. Tracy Lomax was Sandy's sister,
Normally
and she was told how
mornings
Sandy
with people
felt.
coming to
As well.
And for lovers of Americana, we have a Chevrolet pickup, plus a couple of VW Splitties, a slightly unusual MGB, foreign reg, steering wheel on the wrong side, something you don't see on the British ones, 3 wipers, and a little 1974 Honda TN, diddy little thing with a equally diddy little motorcycle on back. And there is me wrong, thinking it was not a genuine Cobra. Here she be, close up. For all those who love their cars loud and proud.
Ask questions.
This is the real McCoy. And here we have a Gilburn dating from 1971. And here we have a dinky little Austin A35, a late model 1983 Renault 4, a Triumph Stag, a Mark I Granada, Mark III Cortina, another Stag, and a Tickford Capri.
I'm being stolen. Help.
tiny little hop, it's still there. Go on, bird.
Being belligerent.